Hello everyone. Welcome to our Healthy Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips, and suggestions on how to live a healthier and happier life using natural methods and remedies. 5 magical benefits of putting a sliced lemon next to your bed. The uses for lemon are no exception. Citrus fruits are probably the most cited of all foods regarding alternative uses. Whether it's part of a cleaning solution, homemade beauty product, or toothpaste, lemon is one of the most versatile fruits out there. In this video, we're going to discuss the benefits of placing lemon next to your bed. Let's get started. Number 1. Better breathing. Lemon is loaded with antioxidants and antibacterial properties. These properties may help explain why the fruit appears to help people breathe easier. Individuals with asthma or who are stricken with a cold may find that keeping a lemon next to the bed opens up their lung pathways. Number 2. Improving air quality. All you probably know, lemon gives off a powerful aroma, so the area around your bed is probably going to smell a bit more pleasant. What many people don't know is that lemon may indeed improve air quality. This characteristic is attributed to the lemon's detoxification properties. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. Number 3. Stress relief. Aromatherapists have labeled lemon as a stress buster. Well, not those exact words, for thousands of years and for a good reason. Lemons are known to aid in serotonin production. Serotonin is the brain's happy chemical. In fact, most prescription antidepressants target serotonin receptors. Additionally, serotonin is responsible for regulating anxiety and mood, and lemon may help in this regard. Number 4. Reducing blood pressure. Lemon balm, an essential oil, is known for increasing blood circulation and lowering blood pressure. While a natural lemon is not an essential oil, it makes sense that some of the effects would carry over. Number 5. Repelling insects. Insects, especially ants and mosquitoes, hate the smell of lemon and orange peels. Rubbing citrus peels on your skin or grating peels around your porch, patio, or campsite can help repel mosquitoes. Ants also avoid citrus peels. In case you want to repel insects, watch our other healthy tips videos below and find out the 5 magnificent benefits of lemon ginger tea. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Until next time, and remember, a healthy life is a happy life.